Well, to unpack this further, I'm joined now by Spencer Critchley in California. He is a Democratic strategist and also author of Patriots of Two Nations. Welcome to the program. Any surprises for you? What do the results signal so far to you?
No, I think this is about what was expected. I think Nikki Haley looks to have done a little bit worse than hoped by only apparently winning in Vermont. So for everybody on either side of the fence who's a fan of sanity, that's a disappointing result, but otherwise more or less expected. I guess the other surprise, although it doesn't amount to all that much impact on the presidential race, with all due respect to the people of American Samoa, is that a man named Jason Palmer actually won the Democratic primary in American Samoa, and few people saw that coming, and few people actually know who Jason Palmer is.
Spencer, as my colleague Andy was saying, Trump's 91 felony charges are unprecedented. How do you think Trump's legal woes and those upcoming trials will impact the rest of the months up until the general election in November?
Well, for his most committed followers who are living inside an entirely walled-off alternate worldview, it'll probably only reinforce their loyalty to him. But he doesn't have enough of those people to win the presidential election. He has an alarming number of them. It's a sign that American democracy is in trouble that he has anything more than a very small minority of people who would support him. But in the final analysis, there are enough people who are still living on what's sometimes called Earth 1 as opposed to Earth 2, who will care very much and who do care very much. As your reporter Andy Rosejan just noted, there are quite a number of Nikki Haley voters, for example, who have said they will not vote for Donald Trump. So that means they're either going to vote for Joe Biden, not vote for anybody at all, or vote for, say, a write-in candidate who has no hope of winning whatsoever. So I think that in the end, those 91 counts in 4 separate indictments are going to make a big difference. It's just I wish that Mr. Trump's character overall, which has been obvious since 2015 when he first declared, I wish it made it obvious that he's desperately unfit, not only to lead a nation, but really to have any position of responsibility whatsoever.
Spencer, Nikki Haley has won the Vermont primary. How close is she to this being at the end of the road?
That's going to be hard to say. I think most people would expect her to drop out soon, but I guess as long as she has the money to continue, she might. I'm sure she knows that she has virtually no chance whatsoever of winning the nomination, barring some what's known as a black swan event. I think she's probably looking towards the future and is using this primary campaign as an opportunity to show her talents, perhaps for 4 years down the road, to try to run for the nomination again, hoping that by that time, the Republican Party might have finally regained its senses.
Spencer, great to have you on the program. Thank you so much. Spencer Critchley, live there from California. Thank you.